Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 for protecting data science dashboards step by step clearly. To start authenticating your data science dashboards using Auth0, first, create an Auth0 account at auth0.com. Once your account is set up, log in to the Auth0 dashboard. Click on the Applications tab in the left sidebar. Select Applications again from the drop-down menu. Click the Create Application button. Enter a name for your application. Choose Single Page Application for the application type. Click Create. Next, configure your application settings. Scroll down to find the Allowed Callback URLs field. Add the URL where your dashboard will be hosted, followed by the appropriate path for authentication returns. Now, locate the Allowed Logout URLs field. Enter the URL where users will be redirected after logging out. In the Allowed Web Origins field, add the origin of your dashboard. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Navigate to the API section in the left sidebar. Click Create API to register a new API for your application. Give your API a name and an identifier. Select the appropriate signing algorithm, then click Create. Next, navigate back to your application settings. Find the client ID and client secret listed on your application dashboard. You'll need these for your dashboard's authentication configuration. Now, install the Auth0 SDK for your preferred language or framework. For JavaScript, use npm with the command npm install at auth0/auth0spot.js. Set up the Auth0 client in your dashboard's codebase. Initialize the Auth0 client using the client ID and domain from your application settings. Implement the login function to redirect users to the Auth0 login page. On successful authentication, capture the returned user information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.